Ng'eggwanga likyalindira alipoota awamu n'olukalala lw'abantu ababuziddwawo mu nkola eyakazibwako ey'ekiwamba abantu nga muno mulimu okukozesa emmotoka ez'ekika ekya drone. Olunaku olwaleero omubaka akiikirira obongi mu lukiiko lw'eggwanga olukulu Kaps Fungaroo yeekubidde enduulu mu paalamenti ng'obulamu bwe bwe buli mu matigga awamu n'abantu baalinako obuvunaanyizibwa.
But what about someone like me who is about to be abducted? Yes, Madam Speaker. What about my family, my children? People are going to school and they followed me as I was crossing from Obongi to Ajumane. People chasing a member of parliament who is still sitting and working. Where is the parliamentary immunity we talk about? Above the law of Uganda. What do we do now, Madam Speaker? I need your help.
Omutuula lwe lumu era totodde engeri abantu gye babadde bamulondoolamu okwagala okumumiiza omusu.
This is to do with the security. As I was heading to Parliament from West Line, I was intercepted by people in vehicles which we commonly refer to nowadays as drones. From my colleagues, members of Parliament, some of whom are also in this house, these vehicles called drones are now used for kidnappings of people. In Arua, in Yumbe, in Obongi, these drones are still there.
Anokoddeyo n'abamu ku basirikale bagamba nti bandibanga be bali emabega w'ebikolwa eby'ekikulanga kino.
Our history and experience in West Nile is bad. People who are abducted don't come out as normal. They come out as they are sick. Madam Speaker, they get tortured and poisoned in detention. This is what is happening. There are people who are dying slowly of being poisoned by these people who are abducting people in unmarked vehicles, carrying guns when they are in civilians. Some of them are the police, particularly the DPC of Obongi called Abel Ruganza, SP. He is the master of all these evils, and he tells the people openly, I can kill you, I can abduct you, and nothing happens to me.
Wano omukwiza w'ekikolo eggwanga olukulu Rebecca Lutwala Kadaga w'aviiriddeyo n'alagira ssaabaduumizi wa poliisi okuwa omubaka ono obukuumi awamu ne minisita okunoonyereza ku nsonga ze zimu.
First, I will direct the Inspector General to provide security for Honorable Fungaroo, but also as the Minister of Internal Affairs to examine the complaint made by Honorable Fungaroo and ensure that both him and his family and the other people are secure, but also to investigate the conduct of the person he has named, the District Police Commander for Bongi, so that the situation of the honourable member can be addressed. If you can come back and give us an update by Thursday next week.
Kino mukijjidde nga minisita avunaanyizibwa ku nsonga z'omunda tannaba kuleeta lukalala lw'abantu abaabuzibwawo newankubadde nga paalamenti olunaku olwajjo yamulakidde okuleeta olukalala luno olunaku olwaleero.
But Lord Speaker, when you made that directive, there is a lot of expectation because many families have their loved ones missing. So as we await that list, we want to provide information on our colleague that possibly those who are living in fear and those who have been abducted, we will know from the list that will be read as directed by the Speaker.
Yes, Chigongo, Kurwa, Channel 44 or Guru.